Welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Today, I've got to replace another axle on the van. I don't know what's going on here, but I replaced both the front axles, and then this one giving me a little bit of trouble. Maybe it's because I paid $98 for both of them. I don't know, but we're gonna warranty that out by just throwing it into the street. Let's get our tools together. Button, engage. Oh man, this place is a wreck. Okay, hold on. Let me clean this up first, and then we will get started. Alright, now that the garage is a little bit cleaner, we're not even going to use it. I work on stuff in the driveway, so that was just for my ADHD. But we're ready to start the axle, I guess. I don't know. So the other day when I was trying to take off the axle nut, I forgot that Zach had put it on with the Milwaukee Docky 5000, and I broke my Harbor Freight breaker bar. I had the breaker bar sitting on the axle nut here, and I put a jack on this side to kind of jack it up and see if I could break it loose. Obviously it didn't work, and it scared the living shit out of me. I honestly thought I was gonna die. I saw the light, turned back, and said, I'm not done here. Gotta finish this job. Hey dog, can you shut up? As much as I love dogs, I wish they were like silent creatures like lizards, you know? But I think I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this up real quick, move the van over here, give myself some room. I've got to pull it up on this curb because I cannot get a regular jack or a low pro jack under my pinch weld. So I've got to beep beep, bring it up a couple inches, make some slide in room there. Awesome, we got it up on the curb. I want to put some wheel chocks behind it, make sure it's not going to roll away. Clean up my work area a little bit, and then we're going to get started. You just wait, we're going to get started. Alright, now I have already pre-loosened this with the Milwaukee the other day, just so I didn't break another tool. And then I tightened it down with this little fella, but you know, we're working, what is that, like a 3/4 to a 1/2 inch. And then we got a problem with the old snap-on ratchet, the adjuster thing here. Yep, it falls out pretty easy, so we gotta hold that guy in. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we're loose. Super. Now that we've got that guy off of there, let's go ahead and jack this up, take the wheel off. From what I understand, you're always supposed to use one of these. Whatever, that's good enough. Fun fact, that jack stand actually belongs to GS3JP. He left it at my shop whenever he painted the wheels on his Malibu. I think it was like 2 or 3 days before he got his FRS Agini. He's never picked it back up. Hey, if you see this, it's yours. You can have it back whenever you want it. Versace. So, if you guys want to see why we're replacing the axle, I can show you There's a good amount of play right here in that CV. Don't mind all of that. I kind of made a mess, spilled a whole bunch of oil last time I did the oil change, and then that obviously on the CV axle, just, it's fine. All right. A lot of play there. Now, there was a really dumb way that we had to do this last time, and I'm gonna try it the same way. All right, I got that bad mamba jamba out. There it is. Yeah, it's just got a little lock ring on there. You gotta break free, but it's a bad angle, and I'm trying to do this the cheap and easy way. This guy needs to go in there. Huh, I think that one's in. Let's take that nut off. And just there we go. There we go. You in? Good deal. Pretty sure I messed up my ABS wire, because now I've got a traction light and an ABS light on. That's no bueno. Well, fun fact, I did indeed mess up that ABS wire. So now I might be running to the AutoZone to get another one, or I might order it. Just depends on how much it is. I'm not gonna pay that AutoZone $100 for one of these. I know that is a fact. So, now that we've got the axle replaced and we've damaged an ABS sensor and things of that nature, I guess I'm gonna spend the rest of my day editing videos. This isn't gonna work. Okay, I guess I'm gonna clean up and then edit a video.